สวัสดีครับน้องๆทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ Open House มหาวิทยาลัยกรุงเทพ Open House ครั้งแรกของเมืองไทยที่จัดขึ้นผ่านโลก Metaverse เพราะมหาวิทยาลัยกรุงเทพคือผู้นำด้านเทคโนโลยีด้วยการเรียนการสอนที่ทันสมัยและไม่หยุดที่จะพัฒนาไปข้างหน้าครับวันนี้ครับผมจะพาทุกๆคนไปสัมผัสกับทุกๆคณะแบบสุดล้ำบนโลกแห่งอนาคตที่นอกเหนือจากข้อมูลการศึกษาและเส้นทางสายอาชีพแบบแน่นๆแล้วเนี่ยจะบอกว่าเรายังเตรียมเซอร์ไพรส์มาฝากทุกๆคนอีกด้วยนะครับฉะนั้นอย่าเพิ่งรีบไปไหนกันนะครับและถ้าพร้อมแล้วเราไปพบกับหลักสูตรนานาชาติกันเลย
Hello everyone! Welcome to Bangkok University International, or BUI as we say for short. We are the modern and international standard programs that understand and meet the expectations of the 21st century. Here at BUI, we welcome international students from over 50 countries. You can make friends, build up connections, and learn more about cultural diversity. You'll also have an opportunity to study real cases from our various industrial partnerships, as well as to have hands-on experience by working with our lecturers and professionals in the field.
Our international programs are not only for students who love and are keen on languages, but we also offer a wide range of intense extracurricular activities that will prepare you for your international work settings. At BUI, we have 8 academic majors divided into 3 clusters. They are Creative Cluster, Service Cluster, and Business Cluster. You will gain the practicalities of work as well as be encouraged to consider your future international career path.
Let's start with the first major of the Creative Cluster, Communication Strategy and Ideation. This major is for those of you who love to develop a communication plan. It is an integration of 3 bodies of knowledge. Communication is knowing how to communicate and tell stories. Strategy is knowing how to manage and plan. And ideation is knowing how to create media and innovations. You will become a capable modern practitioner of communication planning and new media. Within this communication strategy and ideation major, you may choose one of the 2 tracks that is a good fit for you. The first one is strategic communication planning, including such professions as digital communication strategist, digital marketing communicator, digital content curator, and brand communication manager. Another track is integrated media ideation, including, for example, digital media ideator, online media planner, brand experience, and customer experience designer.
And with our strong connections with leading corporates and institutions, you will have an opportunity to have hands-on experience working with our prestigious curriculum partners such as Samsung, True, Central Group, CPN, Tipaya Insurance, and more. Students in communication strategy and ideation will also have a chance to pursue a double degree, 3 years at BUI and 1 year at the University of Canberra, a top 10 university in Australia.
Wow, that is so cool!
I know!
Let us now continue to the second major of the creative cluster, which is digital media and design. This particular major suits those of you who are interested in digital media and design. It offers courses like VR, virtual reality, AR, augmented reality, as well as other digital media such as NFTs, gaming, animation, visual effects, user experience, UX, and user interface, or UI. Every student will gain hands-on learning experience in a state-of-the-art studio by working with a range of faculty, experts in different fields, and professionals through workshops like, for example, Team Drawing Fun from Disney's Family Museum in San Francisco.
Yes, and for this major, we also have a double degree with Middlesex University from London, United Kingdom. You will get a chance to participate in field trips and internships with international corporates in both design and technology fields. We can say that digital media and design is truly the major of the new world of the Metaverse.
You're not kidding? The last major of the creative cluster is innovative media production. It provides students with first-hand practical experiences, aiming to encourage them to be able to develop their creative work everywhere, at any time, and on every media platform. They will also learn and gain a deep understanding of creative production of traditional media. such as radio and television, as well as modern and digital media.
This major has many strong curriculum partnerships in both national and international levels. Through lectures and workshops with our partners, our students will be equipped with strong skills and ability in media production and content creation, the ones that meet the expectations of the global job market.
Wow! Moreover, there are many international learning experiences for students in this major. Those are, for example, a double degree with Macquarie University, Australia. So just imagine, Perry, 2 degrees, 2 universities, and 2 countries.
Wow, so it's like 2 worlds at once?
Exactly. There is also a student exchange program and a short course with partner universities like Dong-A Institute of Media and Arts and Hanyang University, South Korea. So if you love media and production and content creation, do not miss this opportunity. For those of you who are interested in careers in the tourism and service industries, let me introduce you to our majors in the service cluster. The first one is Culinary Arts and Design. It is the major that will help you develop creative thinking and cooking skills to create unforgettable menus and experiences for foodies like us.
At Culinary Arts and Design, we have faculty who are in food industry. We have guest lecturers who are famous chefs coming with their unrevealed secret recipes.
Oh, wow.
I know. And we have a professional standard food and beverage laboratory. Our students can gain competencies in food operation and will be ready for culinary careers, whether they are food stylists, restaurant owners, or other culinary entrepreneurs.
Another major of the service cluster is International Tourism and Hospitality Management. Just like a real entrepreneur, students will learn to create and sell their own tour programs, as well as get feedback from real customers. Moreover, practice-oriented learning is offered at our own cutting-edge laboratory, such as Room Division, Bar Lab, and Spa Lab.
I want to go to a spa.
Take me too. In collaboration with leading corporations and institutions, you will have an opportunity to do both domestic and international internships. Also, the program allows you to study 2 degrees and graduate with 2 bachelor's degrees from 2 universities, which are Cesar Rich College and International Management Institute, both of which are in Switzerland.
In addition to the 2 degrees, you will get a chance to gain an internship position with legal salary in Switzerland and in Europe. Money! Or you may choose to take 3 years of classes at BUI and finish the 4th year at Middlesex University London or MDX. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so do not miss it.
You better not. It is time for our last cluster of BUI, the Business Cluster. The first major in this business cluster is Business English, focusing on the development of English communication skills required in various business situations. So in order to become a business expert, a qualified entrepreneur, investor, or digital marketing practitioner, these require the development of a diverse set of abilities, including the ability to communicate across cultural divides.
This major has a dual degree program with the University of the West of England, Bristol, in which you complete 3 years of coursework at BUI and your final year in the United Kingdom. You will receive 2 degrees from 2 different universities as part of this program. Learn English with TED Talk, National Geographic Learning, Cengage Learning, ETS TOEIC, and JobsDB.com are just a few of the outstanding curriculum partners that can help you acquire the abilities you need for international careers.
Let's continue with the marketing major. All courses are designed to look into marketing in all aspects in order to understand consumer insights. So based on comprehensive and up-to-date information, we will coach you to become a professional marketer. Following the trend of Marketing 5.0, online, offline, and omni-marketing will be taught and advised by faculty who have extensive experiences in international business. All of this will happen in a learning setting among friends from different countries, different languages, and different cultures.
Additionally, here at Marketing Major, there are job application and portfolio workshops, student exchange programs, and special classes from international speakers that will help our students plan and prepare for their future career.
Wow, that's a lot of activities.
Yeah, but that's not all. All students who complete the programs will be awarded a certificate of participation as well. Academic collaborations with the universities in the UK and Australia also allow students in our program to pursue a double degree and top-up degree, and therefore graduate with 2 degrees from 2 different universities.
2 different worlds again.
Yes.
The last major of the business cluster is entrepreneurship. The program aims to prepare you to become a successful and professional entrepreneur, whether starting up a new business or pursuing your family business. The courses are jointly developed with Babson College from Boston. It's the #1 school for entrepreneurship and the leader in entrepreneurship education. We also have a Business and Entrepreneurial Development Center called Busem Center for Entrepreneurship, or BCE. Our team of business experts can provide advice to help you grow your business in the upcoming future. These are all the majors offered at BUI, and that will help you build up your knowledge, master your skills, and find your passion. Given the up-to-date curriculums, strong connections with educational and corporate partners, and extensive experienced faculty and experts, BUI can prepare and help you be successful in your field.
Here are a few guest speakers who will share with you their knowledge, thoughts, and skills, and expose you to the insights and perspective in this field. Ms. Chashaya Rattakanit, or Chef Bib, Chef and Food Consultant.
Next up is Mr. Robert Hall, the CEO of Brand for Humans.
And last one, Ms. Pawarisa Penchat, CEO of Prawa Group, Group Director for Sales Promotion, UMI Group.
Our BUI students have left a big impression on the world stage in many competitions. For example, let me tell you some of them. They won the International Business Plan Competition at Seoul University in South Korea. Then they also won first and second runner-up at a food waste management poster competition at Coventry University, United Kingdom.
We have a compilation of notable and famous alumni, P. Bright Washirawit Chiwa-Ari and P. Cindy Sirinya Bishop, 2 superstars who have received both national and international praise. Kun Oliver Kittipong Viratesha, Chief Brand and Group Communication Officer to Cooperation, who has just recently been awarded as one of the 2021 Thailand Outstanding Leaders.
Wow, those are our alumni?
Yes, and so now let's meet our current students, Kim, who are studying towards a degree and are happy to share with you guys their experiences, impressions, as well as the reason why they joined the program at BUI.
Hi guys, I'm Kim. So the reason I choose to study here at BUI is because there are many class options and choices that answer all my interests. When I stepped foot here in the university, I was surprised myself about how Bangkok University is so open to various nationalities. The professors are so friendly and supportive, so one thing that I gained throughout the year is friends and a lot of connections. So I hope you guys would enjoy it like me. See you!
Teaching and learning at BUI has been built from a global perspective. The facility features state-of-the-art technology, purposefully designed to enhance students' abilities and passions. Through hands-on experience, learning with leading industry partners, our 3 academic clusters of communication, service, and business are designed to foster and prepare you to compete in the world stage. To show our real identity of BUI, we have prepared a special surprise for you.
Yes, and it is a song from Pinatti Tanyanan AF7 and C. Parathakon. Let's enjoy the show!
Let's go!
Hello everyone.
Hi guys! I would like to say welcome to Open House BU 2022!
I'm C. Parathakon Khayanan.
And me, Nati Thanyanan Pipachay Siri. We are representative of Bangkok University International, as we know as BUI สวันนี้นะคะเราก็จะมาโชว์ร้องเพลงทุกคนได้ฟังกันซึ่งเพลงที่เราเลือกก็มีเหตุผลว่าทำไมเราถึงต้องเป็นเพลงนี้นะคะแต่ว่าตี้ก็จะไม่บอกเพราะว่าตี้จะให้ซีเป็นคนบอกค่ะ
พี่ก็โยนมาให้ผมนะ
โยนเลย
โอ้ยก็เหตุผลเนี่ยที่พวกเราเลือกเพลงนี้มานะครับผม
ค่ะ
ก็เพราะเราอยากให้จะสื่อว่าเราเนี่ยอยากจะสื่อว่าเนี่ย
อืม
ว่าทำไมเราถึงเรียน BUI
ค่ะ
มันมีทั้งความสนุกความสนานแล้วได้คอนเนคชันจากเพื่อนฝรั่งด้วยที่สำคัญนี่
ก็คือได้เจอแบบชาวต่างชาติด้วย
ใช่
อะไรอย่างนี้ ซึ่งถ้าตอนนี้นะคะน้องๆรู้แล้วนะคะว่า BUI เนี่ยมีสาขาอะไรที่น่าสนใจบ้างนะคะ พี่สองคนก็อยากจะให้รีบหยิบปากกาขึ้นมาค่ะ แล้วก็มาวงสาขาที่น้องๆชื่นชอบกันได้เลย และแน่นอนนะคะวันนี้นะคะเราก็จะมาร้องเพลงที่เป็นเพลงไหนไปไม่ได้ นอกจากเพลงปากกามาวงค่ะ พร้อมไหมคะ
โอ้ยพี่ผมพร้อมตั้งแต่ออกจากบ้านแล้ววันเนี้ย
อุ๊ยแต่พี่พร้อมตั้งแต่เกิด
โอ้
ขิงอ่ะ
โอ้
ทำไมเป็น
พี่
คนอย่างนี้อ่ะ
ไม่พี่อะขิง
อ๋อ
เก่ง
พี่เองใช่ไหมโอเคค่ะ ถ้างั้นนะคะ เราไปฟังเพลงสนุกๆกันค่ะ let's go
go
let's pick your pen and circle BY ready go ก็เป็นคำถามที่ยังสงสัยอะไรแบบนี้ที่เธอไม่เคยจะบอกและฉันก็ดูไม่ออกตอบฉันได้ไหมที่คิดในใจกับฉันคนนี้ที่เธอไม่เคยจะบอกและฉันก็เดาไม่ออกดาเมจไหนอะไรที่พอจะทำให้เธอโดนใจแอบอยากรู้ว่าตรงกับฉันบ้างหรือไม่คือแบบไหนอย่าให้ฉันต้องสงสัยจนนานเกินไปเธอช่วยตอบหน่อยได้ไหม How do you like me to speak the one you see But I like all of you just all the way you be ชอบที่เธอที่ดีนะก่อนและชอบเอาใจทุกเรื่องตลอดแต่ถ้าให้ฉันเลือกข้อเดียวฉันคงเลือกไม่ลงขอวงเธอทั้งตัวแล้วกัน I like everything about you จ้าจ้าดีดาดีดาจ้าจ้าดาจ้าดีดาดีดา
ดาดิดาดิดา
อ๋อ
ฉันเลยเธอนะสปอยได้ไหมฉันได้รู้สิ่งไหนที่เธอดูอยู่ที่ผ่านมาจะครึ่งเพลงแล้วยังไม่รู้เลยเนี่ยหน้ามาสีผมและกลิ่นของแชมพูหรือรอยยิ้มแววตาที่จะมองอยู่ฉันก็เดาไม่ออกถ้าเธอนั้นไม่เคยจะบอกดาเมจไหนอะไรที่
พอจะ
ทำให้เธอโดนใจ
แอบอยากรู้ว่าตรงกับฉันบ้างหรือไม่
คือแบบไหนอย่าให้ฉันต้องสงสัยจนนานเกินไปเธอช่วยตอบหน่อยได้ไหม เธอชอบฉันตรงไหนให้เอาปากกามาวงส่วนฉันชอบเธอแบบนี้แบบที่เธอเป็นทุกโน้ตชอบที่เธอใจดีนะก่อนและชอบเอาใจตัวเองตลอดและจะให้ฉันเลือกข้อเดียวฉันคงเลือกไม่ลงก็ขอวงเธอทั้งตัวแล้วกัน
เธอชอบฉันตรงไหนให้เอาปากกามาวงส่วนฉันชอบเธอแบบนี้แบบที่เธอเป็นทุกตอน
ชอบที่เธอใจดีนะก่อนและชอบเอาใจตัวเองตลอดและจะให้ฉันเลือกข้อเดียวฉันคงเลือกไม่ลงก็ขอวงเธอทั้งตัวแล้วกัน
ดาดีดาดีดาดาดาดา
ดาดิดาดิดาดาดิดาดิดา
เป็นยังไงกันบ้างครับกับ Open House ในรูปแบบ Metaverse ของหลักสูตรนานาชาติมหาวิทยาลัยกรุงเทพ The Happiness of Connection Hub ที่จะพาทุกๆคนก้าวไกลไปสู่สากล ถ้าสนใจอยากจะเป็นส่วนหนึ่งกับพวกเราเนี่ยก็สามารถสมัครเรียนได้ทุกวันไม่เว้นวันหยุดที่มหาวิทยาลัยกรุงเทพหรือจะสมัครทางออนไลน์ได้ที่เว็บไซต์มหาวิทยาลัยแล้วเจอกันนะครับ